my gosh! This is one of my favorite ponds to fish. There are a ton of snakes here though. Shoot! Right there in the calm water. Dude! Come on. Something huge just moved right there. Probably a turtle. Yeah, something huge just moved like right there. I have a Cinco on. Yeah guys, I'm definitely getting the nibbles, so. The fish can hear everything. Oh crap. Oh F. Dude, I just F'd up bad. Dude, that's like classic C note, like not even prepared to fish.
Got one first cast.
Nice, dude.
What color are you throwing? Watermelon.
Nice, beautiful fish. Dude, something better get my Cinco right now. I need a new rod bad. Gee, I don't even set my drag. Dude, I've been like filming for a while, but I feel like if I like turn it off right now, I'm gonna get a fish. That classic cheese. Oh, beautiful. Oh, there we go. Dang it! Always hard hook sets. Gotta be gentle on these hook sets now. Monster Mike backflip hook set. Might have to change color, boys. Oh yeah, baby. Dude, you have to be effing me. Dude, next fish I like get a nibble, I'm literally destroying that hook set. This is some cheese. Big mistake. There's a little nibble. Honey hole. What are you talking about? Oh yeah, here we go. Dude. Colton or me? This is some cheese. Alright, whatever. Here we go, boys. Classic D's about to catch a fish. Ooh, that was one. Dude, I might have to do a hard switch to the ribbit frogs. It's ribbit time. Dude, how did Colton get all the way over there so fast? Shoot. Dude, stray bird's nest. It's all good, we got it. Alright, what the hell? Dude, where's that frog at? Alright guys, I don't think today's my day. Oh shoot. Whoops.
Got one.
Oh baby, right here. Alright, what the hell, dude? Oh! Oh my gosh! Dude! Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my F. Dude, that was some big cheese. Ah, dude. Let's go! Finally! No! It's not my day today. I'm pretty sure I just scared away all the fish too. Oh, nice. Come on. What the hell? One more. I think I gotta change. Oh, this has to be. Oh, shoot! Little topwater popping frog. I might get blown up. Huge fish. I doubt there's anything over here, but alright guys, right here. Try over here. Perfect. What the hell? Man, nothing. Houston? The bottom of Baja, California. Nice. Cannot catch a fish. We've gone back to the Cinco. Man, I just got hard bites, man. Man, this rod. Come on. Jeez. There's dragonflies everywhere. My Cinco just flew off, so maybe a little bit more luck on this one. Oh my god, see right there. Someone's taking it for sure. Oh, here. Of course I wasn't filming, but back into the water.